How to measure 7 grams yeast and 10 grams salt without a proper scale. I have a 10 grams precision kitchen scale and I need to measure 7 grams yeast and 10 grams salt. So I need to use teaspoon here. The following is the teaspoon I usually use and I wonder if it's the correct one. Is there any other method I could use to measure the yeast and salt that recipe calls for? I found this site, see link. 1. To convert grams to teaspoons. It says 2.5 teaspoons of yeast equals 7 grams yeast, 1.75 teaspoons of table salt equals 10 grams table salt. Is that correct?
1. A packet of yeast is typically 7 grams exactly. So if you're buying yeast by the packet, use 1 packet. But assuming you will be measuring from bulk yeast, the correct measure by volume would be 2¼ teaspoons instead of 2½ teaspoons. 2. The weight of salt relative to its volume varies considerably depending on what salt you are using. The best way to work out the appropriate conversion for the salt you have on hand is to consult the nutrition facts on the back of the container. Most salt gives the nutritional information based on 1/4 teaspoon. But the weight of this amount of salt depends on the type of salt and size of grain. Here's how you do the math. Start with the information on the back of your package. For example, let's use my fine Mediterranean sea salt, 1/4 teaspoon. Equals 1.2 grams. Multiply both sides by 4 to get the weight of 1 teaspoon. 1 teaspoon equals 4.8 grams, i.e., 4.8 grams per teaspoon. You need 10 grams, so divide 10 grams by 4.8 to get the number of teaspoon. You should use 10/4.8 equals a little more than 2 teaspoons. You really should get your measurement this way instead of relying on a generic conversion formula. There is significant variability from salt to salt. Another salt I use has a label that states 1/4 teaspoon. Equals 0.7 grams, the crystals are larger so the same 1/4 teaspoon. Now weighs much less than the sea salt. 1/4 teaspoon. Equals 0.7 grams. Multiply both sides by 4, 1 teaspoon. Equals 2.8 grams, so this salt is 2.8 grams per teaspoon. You need 10 grams, 10 halves. 0.8 equals a little more than 3.5 teaspoon.